Hello, girls! Wow, how cozy sitting by the fireplace. And discussing, I see you discuss something with Angelina, my Melina. Yes, oh, you're both so beautiful and so nicely festive dressed. Just love you, both of you. Wow, what beautiful socks you've got there, Angelina. Oh, a nice hairband. Oh, the lovely snow girl. Oh, I love your socks, Melina. I just love it. And your Christmas outfit. Oh, I just love you so much. You are my Christmas Melina, you know that, yes? You know that, my girl. You know that. You are my last reborn baby of 2020. So, you will be with your mama soon. So, Angelina wants to spend as much time as she can to enjoy your company. Merry Christmas, girl, and a Happy New Year to everyone.